Finding yourself in a comfortable position with a long spine, allowing the eyes to become heavy, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle as you take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Inhaling deeply, feeling grounded, and exhaling fully, releasing any tension. Taking another deep inhale, and exhaling out any tension. Picture yourself on a cliffside. The sea stretches before you, waves gently crashing below. A soft fog rolls in, surrounding you. And this fog represents something in your life that is clouding your peace, an emotion, a thought pattern, or a challenge. Taking a moment to identify what this fog symbolizes for you. What is the source of heaviness? Allow it to gently surface without judgment. Looking at this fog with curiosity and compassion. Why is it here? What purpose has it served? Perhaps it has tried to protect you or guide you in some way. Acknowledge its presence and any lessons it may have brought. As you breathe in, imagine the cool, fresh sea air filling your lungs. And with each exhale, see the fog beginning to lift and dissolve, releasing the attachment to what the fog represents, allowing it to drift away on the ocean breeze. Feeling lighter with each breath as the mist clears, revealing the vast, open sea and the beauty of the cliffs around you. And with the fog gone, breathing in the clear, fresh air. With each inhale, imagine filling the space once occupied by the fog with a sense of peace, clarity, light. Feel the warmth of the sun breaking through, illuminating your path forward. Allow yourself to fully embrace this new sense of openness and freedom. Whenever you're ready, gently returning to the present moment, carrying this clarity, calm, and lightness with you throughout your day.